wanna make love on the moon, dancing to my tunes. Easy too much, it's not too much. I wanna be on Forbes list if wishes were horses. Easy too much, it's not too much. If I want money, me, I do all dance, I got to say. If I want money, me.
Hey guys, good morning. It's afternoon. Oh my god. So it's my last day in Toronto, Toronto as I call it. So we're basically just gonna do the things we never got to do, which is a lot of things. So I'm just, out here feeling myself, looking pretty, looking amazing, thanking God for this awesome work of abs. Anyways guys, I'm super excited for today. Even though I know I'm going to be tired before I get anywhere, but hopefully I'm able to pull up whatever I'm doing today, and super excited. Yeah, my phone is ringing and it's my sister. All right guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
I wanna wake up in a Lamborghini. I want to fly for Santorini, make money to Sicily. Oh yeah. If I want money, me, I do all kinds of things. If I want money, me, I'ma buy my shojo, I'ma buy my foya, I'ma buy me. Yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, yeah. Yalla, yeah, anybody, yeah.
So guys, we're in front of the Toronto sign, and there's supposed to be a waterfall here, but it's not happening right now because the city's broke. The city's broke, but they're gonna turn it on like during the New Year's whatever. But like, why do you have something you cannot turn on? But anyways guys, it's really beautiful. I really love. I think this is the most fun I've had in my entire trip. I actually like this whole place. But yeah, so. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the Toronto sign, and this girl is looking slayed. Anyways, this is supposed to be a waterfall, but it's like, it's off because the city's broke. I keep saying the city's broke. But guys, look at that sun. Hi guys, so I'm at Burger Place, and I'm about to have like the most amazing burgers ever. Drum roll the hype place. Anyways guys, so if you've never heard of Burger Place, it's like the one place where you should have your burgers before you die. If you're going to die tomorrow, make sure you have your burgers. Anyway guys, let me show you what we ordered. We ordered the... That's nice. We ordered the high priest and the California classic. And then we also ordered chili cheese fries. That's mine. Does this have onions? Okay, that has onions. Alright guys, so this is what we ordered, and that's my burger. And that. And this is my favorite part of it, the chili cheese fries. Anyways guys, I'm about to like dig into this food really hard. Like by the time I'm done with this food, my face is gonna be covered in cheese. Alright guys, I'll see you guys soon.
Yeah. I wanna be a billionaire.
Hi guys, so I'm about to go try burgers. We just had our burger first, but I really want to try this. So this is gonna be my dinner tonight. So yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Wanna make love on the moon, dancing to my tunes. Easy too much, it's not.
Okay, so guess what's inside here? I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited to try it. Baby. So this is Ryan Reynolds Star or Maple Leaf or J Leaf. Ryan Reynolds. Love of my life. What about my emotions? It was actually male that I have a problem. For all we great anatomy lovers. Am I acting like a crazy person when I get to people that actually know? Oh my god. So, Kefir Sutherland.
When I wake up in a Lamborghini, I want to fly for Santorini, make money to see me. Oh, yeah, yeah. If I want money, me, I do what dance, I got to say. If I want money, me.